Baldy, come on, this way. Let's go. No. Good boy. Baldy. Baldy. No. Come on, this way. Baldy. Baldy, let's go this way. Come on. Baldy. Hey, not yours. No. Baldy, come now. Come on. So now I have a task ahead of me. If he's going to eat that in here, I got to keep Baldy from trying to steal that. No! No! He's going to keep trying, though. I know it. No! 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 I'm not exactly sure what it is, but Baldy really wants it. So, once again, it's the cart of food. Hey, come on, let's go. Leave it. Come on. So at least the owner is leaving with the food. Baldy, come on, it's gone. Let's go. Hey, let's go this way. Good boy. Yeah, so I'm still working on Baldy and the whole recall off of the food. It seems like it depends on how valuable he sees the food. If it's something really good, then it's going to be hard to call him off of. If it's something kind of bland that he doesn't really care for, then it's much easier. Baldy, get it. No. Hey. Hey. The little brown dog, is that yours? Oh, I don't think it is. Is the little brown dog yours? So this little dog right here, I'm on the search for the owner because I asked the guy, was trying to ask a guy if it was his, but he had earbuds in, so, and that guy just left, so apparently it's not his, but I guess it's some sort of pit mix.
Yep, pit mix.
Yeah, but I want to find out what that is because I think that's like a merle color. That's a beautiful dog. Is this one yours?
Yeah.
Yeah? What kind of dog is it?
Somewhere in her bloodline, something else, but both
Okay.
parents look like Pitbulls.
Yeah, I love the markings. That's like so unusual. That's like a merle, right? Merle color?
Yeah, color.
Yeah.
Yeah, the mom looked Merle.
Yeah. Wow, and you have no idea what the other mix is, huh?
They were both, yeah, both of the parents looked like Pitbulls, but,
Okay.
And the rest of her brothers and sisters were all tricolor. There was one other one that looked like her.
Okay. Okay. How old is she?
She's 4 or 5 months.
Oh, what's her name?
Penny.
Penny. Okay. Man, that's amazing dog. Keep her locked up. That's for sure because I'm sure you must get compliments all the time,
yeah,
right?
Yeah, everybody.
Yeah.
So, and this other one is yours too?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. But they're not related.
No.
Oh, okay. Are they future husband and wife or what?
Yeah.
Oh, they are? Okay.
Yeah.
Hopefully you get that same
Yeah,
color
I mean,
out of it.
His dad was I don't know if I'll get the Merle, but for sure I'll get tricolor from him because his dad was tricolor.
Yeah. What's the boy's name?
Ozzy.
Ozzy. How old is he?
He's almost a year.
A year old?
Yeah, about 11 months.
Okay. So most people, when they have a dog named Ozzy, it's named after Ozzy Osbourne. Is that the case? Oh, okay. I'm not sure who tied this up here. It's been up here for what, like 2 weeks?
It was I forgot his name.
Hey, no, stay out of it.
Yeah, they love it though.
Oh yeah, they do.
Penny.
Just every once in a while you get a dog, you might be obsessed with
What's
it.
that?
every once in a while you might get a dog that's
Yeah.
obsessed with it, and they're
Yeah.
like, no, leave it alone, it's fine,
Yeah.
you know.
Yeah. Yeah, he gets annoyed over. She wants all of his toys and.
Oh, okay.
So. But it's cool.
No, no. Good boy.
Benny.
So is he a pit bull or an American bully?
He's a Pitbull.
Oh, okay. Hey, no, it's his. Leave it. Leave it. Come on, Bodie, this way. Let's go. All right, so I'm glad I found out the dog's name. Just, wow, I really love the Merle color. Hopefully you guys enjoyed seeing that dog also. Sit. Ready? Get it. Good boy. Come here, Bodie. Come here. Hey. Shh. No. Good drop it, but you're kind of far away from me, huh? Sit. Ready? Get it. Good boy. Hey, over here. Oh, shoot, I lost my paper. Okay. Hold on, I'll get it. Okay, sit. Ready? Good boy. Ready? Get it. Good boy. Hey, Bodie. Drop it. Good boy. Good drop it. All right, sit. Ready? Get it. Hey, come on this way. No. Bodie. Bodie, come this way. Now. No. Okay. I think somebody just brought food in here. Bodie, come now. Now. No. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Up. Up. Okay. Okay, that time I was actually able to call Bodie off that food. Maybe it was something he didn't like. Go ahead, sit. Sit. Okay, so that's going to draw today's video to an end. Bodie and I, we hope that you enjoyed watching. If you can, please leave a comment. Also, give it a thumbs up. Also, a very big thank you to everyone who watches the ads. That helps support Bodie. Also, anyone who presses the thanks button and donates, we appreciate that so much. And before we go, we want to say thank you to a few people who watched previous videos. Oh, before we do that, I know that some of you have had questions. If you can, on this video, if you have a question, a short question that you want me to answer about Bodie or dogs at the dog park or dogs in general, which I'll do my best to answer, just leave that in the comments below, and I will answer those questions in an upcoming video. So if you have a question, leave it below. And before we go, we want to thank a few people who watched previous videos and left comments. Stephanie Palmer, Eva Lee Ming, Donna Blackwood, Jimmy 2008, Wayne Miller, Jess Pergave, I hope I said that right. Jess Pergavy, I think that's right. Diane, Jeff Tinney, Patricia Proctor, John Denmark. So yeah, so just leave that question below and I will do a video where I just answer a bunch of your questions in between the action that happens at the dog park. So Bodie and I, we want to thank everyone for watching. Until next time, we hope we'll see you on the next episode of Bodie's World. Everyone, take care. Just a skateboard, Bodie. Hey, sit. Okay, so we'll see you next time. Everyone, take care.